Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can clone your voice using HeyGen AI in a very simple way. First, go to the official website of HeyGen AI and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free. After logging in, go to the Voice or Avatar section. There you will find an option called Voice Clone or Instant Voice Clone. Now, click on it. Next step is very important. You need to record your voice or upload an audio file. Make sure your voice is clear, with no background noise, because better audio means better cloning quality. HeyGen usually asks for a 30 seconds to 2 minutes voice sample. After uploading or recording, click on Create Voice. Now the AI will process your voice. It may take a few minutes. Once it's done, your cloned voice will be ready. Now you can use this voice in your videos. Just type any text, select your cloned voice, and HeyGen will speak it exactly like you. This is perfect for YouTube videos, voiceovers, content creation, even faceless videos. But remember, always use voice cloning ethically and don't misuse someone else's voice. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.